Yeah, I mean, with the Growlink Pro subscription, you get 24/7 access to support engineers, as well as next day on site, where we'll send out a field technician to your location. If there's ever a problem that we can't address remotely. Another part of Growlink Pro that's really cool is you get lifetime updates. So we will push firmware updates that have new product features, enhancements to current features that are in the product, and you get those for the lifetime of the product. So it's somewhat future proof. Oh, you're gonna have to cut all this up. Yeah, we just added this as part of Growlink Pro. It also, as long as you're in the program, it extends the warranty on your product. So basically your product is warranted forever.